back again with another review. This time I have the IHOME Orbita Pro robot vacuum. I ordered one the other day with my own money, hoping that this one will be better than the last IHOME robot that I recently reviewed as well. I ordered this one because it's their newest model. It looks very similar, but it has LiDAR. What? I'm hoping for a better result with this one, so stay tuned and thank you for watching. Are you ready?
Yeah.
All right. Are you ready to tell everybody the features?
Yeah.
Okay. So folks, a couple of the key features real quick about this robot. It has a 360 LiDAR radar. So some of the key features with the robot, it features a LiDAR, so therefore the navigation should be superior to other robots out there. And also it has iHome's Home Map 2.0, which gives it some features such as virtual boundaries, no-go zones, and the ability to set schedules of when you want it to clean. One of the really cool things about this robot is that it has a power mop ability. It features a mop pad underneath which agitates and scrubs the floor for a better clean. That's one of the main reasons why I ordered the other iHome and reviewed that on the channel, because I was curious to see how well that worked for such a good price. And if you saw my last video, you understand that that robot was a complete waste of time. They give you a Wi-Fi app, which is to be expected, I would think. It's on iPhone and Android. This unit has an auto empty station, so the unit will go back to its home base and auto empty. Also, it has recharge and resume, so it's self-charging. It will go back to the base, recharge, and go back where it left off if need be during a run cycle. It has voice control abilities with Alexa and Google. The vacuum features a powerful 2700 Pascal suction and a 2-hour runtime. As I just mentioned, I'll be curious to see how well it stacks up against the competition. I got mine for a decent price. This is their newest offering from iHome. I'll be putting it to my standard test. So my special guest decided to rejoin me after taking a unsanctioned, ununionized break, but it's okay. You saying hello? So I'll be putting this robot to the test on carpet and hard floor to see how well it does. I'll be curious to see if it's any better than the predecessor that I tested a few weeks ago. So stay tuned and we'll unbox it and review it, and of course give you my honest opinion. You ready to unbox it?
Yeah.
All right, let's unbox this bad boy and see everything that it comes with. This is gonna be fun.
Wow.
All right, guys, so we have the dirt pen.
Daddy,
Yes.
I want
Dirt pen, and this is where the water goes. The water dispenses from the bottom there, and you attach the mop on like so. This is the agitating power mop that agitates and scrubs your floors. You get an extra pad, I'm assuming they're washable, extra air filter, an extra dirt bag. That right there is the landing gear when it gets to the home station to protect your floors. It has the hair pick and cleaning tool, the power cable, an extra brush, and this is the home station that also charges and auto empties into here. All right, guys, so on to the test. This is going to be the first run. This is the mapping test. Now, keep in mind, this is called Dad's Reviews. I got both of my little ones here with me today. But on screen, we have Elijah here, my son. So, all right, buddy. Hey, are you ready to see if this thing can map better than the other iHome we tested?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, let's get going.
Yeah.
So this is where I have it, guys, in my front room. Right here. We're going to do that. We're going to do the den, the kitchen, the hallway, and then Elijah's room. Let me turn the light on real quick. I want to do this room because, as I mentioned in my other robot reviews, this carpet right here tends to throw off LiDAR for some reason. I guess because it's like a shaggy style carpet. We'll see if it has any interference with this one. Alright, so it says starting auto clean. Now, just right off the top of my memory, This one sounds a little different than the Luna Pro. Yes, you know, I referred to it as the Nova Pro, but the Nova Pro is the all black one that looks just like this. The Luna Pro just has laser front guidance. The Nova Pro had the LiDAR, but apparently this is the updated version of the Nova Pro. Hence its name, the Orbita Pro. So I'll let it do its thing, see how quickly it maps out the area I have set up for it, and we'll go from there, guys. All right. So it's doing a mapping and cleaning run, but I've already noticed that this one is operating much more smoothly than the other one I tested, the Luna Pro. It's actually navigating very well. You see how swift it turns. It did like a perimeter around the front room and went into my son's room. It only went halfway down the hallway. It didn't go over here yet into the kitchen or the den, but it's making very nice lines. You see my feet? Leave my feet alone. Look at the robot. You see it?
Yeah.
Is that a nice robot?
Yeah.
So far, I think this one's doing much better. It hasn't gotten stuck, which is important. All right, guys. We'll see how well it continues to do. So it's already passed the shaggy rug test. I mean, it's really not that thick of a shag rug, but other robots I've had in the past have just gotten really confused in here, including the Trifo and an Ecovac T8 Plus that I had. Yeah, it did a perimeter run. Now it's doing the straight lines in here too with no issues. Looking good. All right, so now we're in the kitchen. I had to put the shark on the table. I didn't like the shark too much. But honestly, you see how it's going through the chair and everything like that? The shark does not do that, even though the shark is LiDAR. Dare I say this navigation for the iHome is better?
Hey.
What?
I put one word. Oh.
What are you drinking?
Coke.
Oh my gosh, it's caffeine free.
Yeah.
I'll be sure to screenshot the map. It actually looks very nice. It's a little bit more detailed as well than the shark. One thing it has over the shark, you can see in live time where it's been and where it still needs to go. Like it has live map tracking. The shark, you can only see it after it's done to see where it's been. All right, guys, so we're going to put this thing to the test with some debris. These are crushed up chocolate cookies that my son loves. So I was like, hey, why not? We can see it very well.
I did.
You did it?
Yeah.
He did it. He made the mess. All right, let's see how well this thing performs. This is surface debris. I didn't embed it in the carpet. I selected to pass twice. You see the auto boost comes on. We'll see how well it does here. It's already doing pretty good there. It did kick out this one piece just now. It's okay. Okay, so on the first pass, it left a few pieces, but I guarantee you on the second pass, there will be none left. Are you dumping out some more cookies for me? It's not going to test over there. So you see it goes the opposite direction now.
You good, Daddy. You good.
Just set it down for me. Sit by Daddy.
charge.
All right, so 99.8, or just call it 99% complete. Effective at getting all the debris up. It kicked out this one piece on its first pass by. Also left one right here. But hey, that's pretty good. All right, so now the hard floor test. This is my go-to, the Rice Krispies. I selected the area, pretty much this square right here in front of me, and 2 passes. So it's doing its perimeter pass.
Returning to charge.
All right, so once again, I would suggest 2 passes on your floors if it was that dirty. Once again, this is just kind of like a, a test. So there's 1 Rice Krispie pebble left. So once again, 99%. It's definitely a passing grade. Did well. Next up is the mop test. All right, so now to the mop portion. This is what the mop pad looks like. You attach the microfiber pad to the mopping element. The water bin is included with the dust bin. So you pull up this flap here, fill it up with water, and that's the agitator, I'm assuming, or the water dispenser, one of the two. But once again, it's supposed to agitate, so it moves back and forth like that to scrub the floors better. I poured out a little bit of milk. I already know from experience that these robot vacuums and mops combos don't typically replace your regular mop unless you're buying, I guess, the ones that clean themselves. It trickles out. It's not like automatic, I guess. So, I don't know. I guess that's like a con, but we'll see how well it does. So you can't really see it agitating it. I mean, I hear a different noise. I touched the back of it while I could. You feel it vibrating a little bit. So it's nothing serious. But we'll see how it does. Alright, so it did its perimeter pass. Oh no, it wants to punch me. You see it's mopping?
Yeah? It's milk!
It does get the floor pretty wet. These tiles aren't necessarily even in some where they connect together, so you may see a little dry spot somewhere. But I am impressed on how well it saturates the ground. I'll be curious to see how it does that milk. That's a pretty good job. Got it. Now, how clean is that going to be after just water going over it? I'm not sure. Once again, you know, this isn't meant to do heavy duty hard floor mopping. You know, I have a wet, dry, hard floor cleaner for that. But this is just to maintain in between heavy duty cleanings or deep cleaning day. Alright, so in conclusion, I would recommend the IHOME Orbita Pro robot and mop. It works really well. It mapped the house correctly on the first run. It has cool features like the no-go zones or virtual boundaries, 4 corners, and you can also make crazy shapes. You can run it on a set schedule. It looks good. It fits into the home. It's compact. I picked mine up for $300 off of Amazon. It retails for $500, so you could find it below $400. I would recommend picking it up. Compared to the iHome Luna Pro, this one functioned way better. This is their latest offering, so maybe they updated some stuff with their internals. I was pleasantly surprised, and I wouldn't hesitate keeping this one. Alright guys, so this is Zach with Dad's Reviews. Thank you for watching. If you like what you've seen, maybe consider subscribing. Give me a thumbs up, and until next time, you guys have a great day.